ANA launches free high-speed Wi-Fi on international flights. Imagine soaring through the skies with uninterrupted internet access. All Nippon Airways, ANA, has just unveiled a groundbreaking initiative, complimentary high-speed internet for passengers across all international classes on specific B767-300ER planes. This cutting-edge service, powered by Viasat Inc.'s state-of-the-art technology, doesn't just promise internet access. It guarantees the ability to stream videos seamlessly, ensuring you stay connected from the moment you step on board until you land. But here's where it gets exciting. ANA is aiming to replicate the internet experience you'd get on the ground, right in the air. Initially rolling out on selected B767-300ER aircraft, this service is set to gradually expand across their entire fleet. By the close of 2025, ANA plans to have retrofitted 3